to render is one of the most popular features in Raspberry, and it's easy to see why. You can take any 2D image, whether created in Illustrator or a hand sketch, and quickly turn it into a 3D rendered product image. This asset can be used for anything: mood boards, line sheets, inspiration, or even to sell. We'll upload an example. You'll choose whether your sketch is black and white or if it's color guided. Here, as with all of our reference image boxes, you have the option to describe image. When you use this AI tool, it will describe the image in detail, and you'll have the option of using the prompt it returns as a jumping off point. You also have the option to crop the image right here in the reference image box. The slider below is for sketch influence. This denotes how closely the outputs will look like your sketch. We suggest a default setting of 95% to 100%, which is pretty high. The slider goes even higher than 100%. For sketch to render, you're going to write one of the shortest prompts in Raspberry. Your prompt should include the color, description of the design, and material. That's it. Here, you can also use prompt weighting, which you may have learned about in a previous video. This is the way to weight certain descriptive words in your prompt heavier or lighter to affect the outputs. In advanced parameters, we have a negative prompt box where you can write any terms you'd like the outputs to avoid. This could be something like zippers, pockets, anything at all. And just a reminder that in the three dots, you could potentially remove the background for a very clean shot of the product. You can also use Sketch to render with your hand sketches, transforming them from 2D to 3D. Your sketch could be of a product image or garments on a croquis figure like this one. Use Describe Image to get your prompt started, then add colors and fabrications to the prompt. Raspberry will transform not only the clothing, but the croquis to stylized, full color 3D images that you can use for presentations. You'll get four options, and the nice thing about AI is that you can continue to generate billions more. Each one will be a little different, and you can always regenerate them as well. If you're not happy with any of the results, you can always try it again. When in doubt, regenerate.